दर्द कम हो या ना हो, अगर किसी का साथ मिल जाए तो सफर थोड़ा आसान जरूर हो जाता है।
बिल्कुल। और इसी एहसास का नाम है पैलिएटिव केयर, जहां सिर्फ इलनेस नहीं बल्कि पेशेंट की कंफर्ट, डिग्निटी और इमोशनल सपोर्ट का भी ख्याल रखा जाता है।
एसएनएम हॉस्पिटल ने सिप्ला फाउंडेशन और हेल्पेज इंडिया के साथ मिलकर पेलिएटिव केयर सर्विसेज लॉन्च किया है।
अनलिमिटेड हार्ट इवन विद लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज, मतलब रिसोर्सेज चाहे कम हो लेकिन इंसानियत और केयर की कोई लिमिट नहीं होती।
क्योंकि हर पेशेंट्स को सिर्फ ट्रीटमेंट ही नहीं बल्कि प्यार, रिस्पेक्ट और सुकून के साथ जीने का भी हक है।
All Nuns Association, Anele has decided to dedicate her whole property for the establishment of hospice in near future. Thank you, Anele, for your kindness.
For many of you who don't know, my grandfather started Cipla, and that commitment that we have in the family to healthcare has been there since close to 90 years. For those of you who don't know, Cipla is actually celebrating 90 years this year. So that commitment to healthcare has been since then. And
nurses we have in SNM hospital who are already trained in palliative care. 2 nurses we got through the NHM especially for the palliative care. This palliative team will be an additional layer of support. High mountains of Ladakh, distance is not just in kilometers. It is in pain, in loneliness and in silence. For years in SNM hospital and in the villages of Ladakh, we saw the same story. A patient diagnosed with the cancer, kidney failure or any other chronic illnesses, the treatment would continue. But the pain, the fear, the question at 2 a.m., what next? What will happen to us? What will happen to my children? Had no answer. The caregivers suffered too. A daughter who left her job, a son who became a full-time nurse, a wife who had no one to talk to. Medicine was treating the disease, but who was treating the person? It began with a virtual meeting with Dr. Monisha Ahmed. The question was very simple and heavy. How do we make sure that in Ladakh no patient suffers in pain and no one dies alone? That day we decided palliative care will not mean giving up. Palliative care means starting care from the day of diagnosis, walking with the patient throughout the treatment, through the bad days, the good days, till the very end. Padma Sedup, he has done master in social work. He will work as a coordinator. Sona Mangmo, again masters in social work. She will work as a counselor or a social worker. And Dr. Padma Lanzis, masters in physiotherapy. She will work as a physiotherapist.
हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये नई शुरुआत लद्दाख के कई फैमिलीज के लिए एक मजबूत सपोर्ट बनेगी, क्योंकि जब हेल्थ केयर के साथ काइंडनेस और कंपैशन भी जुड़ जाए तो मुश्किल वक्त का सफर थोड़े आसान हो जाते हैं। इस पॉजिटिव सोच के साथ इस इनिशिएटिव को हमारी पूरी एफएम की टीम की तरफ से बेस्ट विशेस।